Don't stop reading now. It's real. Stop. It's real. Keep it big. Right. Real. There we go. Stop. Real.
Roan bezig met die popper.
Come forward. Come this way. Bring it back. And then come real side. Real. There we go. There we go.
Woo! Dat mis hy jou! Ek doen! Het jou gemis? Woe! Aan! Lekker Roan! Kijk hoe bij gij stok! Aan op die popper! Welkom!
Yeah, what do I do?
Pressure on it. Gotta have pressure all the way. It's a small, look. I'm just gonna release it. Where's the camera?
Ek het dit. So kap Tuna 3 besig. Aangewees op die popper. Hy man gaan 'n release.
Hey, kom!
'n Mooi klein yellowfin. Daar gaat hy.
Yes, boys! That's how we do it!
That's how we fishing, Roan.